And we are working with the AIC Kajiado Child Care Center to provide water. We have worked with many clubs around the world, international partners, to make there is a difference in this community and to help this home that rehabilitates children with disabilities, to help them get water and also food for life, because we have also a vegetable garden that is going to assist the home in terms of sustainability. Rotary focuses on sustainable projects.
These parents with resilience skills for them to create shocks whenever there is always a disaster of drought, by giving them alternative sources of livelihood as opposed to only looking at livestock, also now looking at doing smart agriculture.